as I told you, and you've seen for yourself, we have a lot of diversity in our office. So,
Yeah,
um,
I know.
yeah, and so we don't have openings a lot because we don't have a high turnover. But as positions come open, they're available. They're posted on the county website. If you're interested, probably the best thing to do is apply, even when there are not any openings. So we'll have your resume in our files, and we can call you if we do have those openings. But we're committed to uh, having diversity in our office. It provides for better decision making, and we want the district attorney's office to look like Fort Bend County.
Is it like the decision making is fair?
Is the decision make? Oh, absolutely. We make evidence based decisions. The law
Merit on
requires.
merit. Yeah.
Correct. In fact, if I don't follow the law, I can be removed from office. And so that's the instruction in my office, is that we will enforce the law and we will make evidence-based decisions.